inside the front living area, this lounge seating includes great new integrated 3-point safety belts. But Abby Nieman, one of our factory trained consultants here at Lichtsinn RV, will showcase how easy these are to maneuver for even more comfort. The inward seat will actually extend out for more space in between those two occupants. It will glide forward then, so you can recline that seat. You'll see deeper bolster inside the cushion for the styling of each of those seats, and each of which include a 3-point safety belt. Both will move forward to provide even more recline function. So a lot more space in between these two seats as they rotate forward to provide reclining capabilities, but also that inward seat extending out to provide even more comfort and space between the two passengers behind the driver and passenger. So a total of 4 3-point safety belts. These safety belts are DOT certified for use with car seat and car seat boosters. Winnebago Revel, available here at Lichtsinn RV.